Welcome to my channel. I'm using 4-ply acrylic yarn and a 5mm crochet hook to make a circle. First we have to make a magic circle. To make a magic circle, wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers and take it over like X. Place the hook underneath the bottom yarn and pull the top yarn, then twist it and bring it up. Then place the hook underneath the top yarn and pull it through the loop. This is a slip knot in the magic ring. For row 1, make a chain of 2. To make double crochet, yarn over and insert the hook in the center of the circle. Yarn over and pull through and you'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's your first double crochet. And then you want to continue all the way around until you have done another 9 double crochets. In this round we're going to have total of 10 double crochets. After completed the first row, we have to pull the short yarn to tighten the circle loop. Insert the hook in the first double crochet chain. Grab the yarn and pull it through for a slip stitch. For row 2, we always start a row with a chain 2. We are going to increase each stitch. So in that same space make a double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochets. And continue to do 2 double crochets all the way around into the top of each stitch. Until we have one last stitch. Row 2 will have 20 double crochets. Don't count chain 2 as a double crochet. But we have 19 double crochets, so what we have to do is make a double crochet in the last stitch. And make a slip stitch to close the row. For row 3, make a chain 2. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet. And make an increase in the next stitch. In this row we are going to make 1 double crochet and then increase. Continue like this all the way around. Row 3 will have 30 double crochets. And make a slip stitch to close the row. For row 4, make a chain of 2. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet. and make a double crochet in the next stitch. Then make an increase in the next stitch. In this row we are going to make 2 double crochets and then increase. Continue like this all the way around. Row 4 will have 40 double crochets. And make a slip stitch to close the row. Make a chain and cut the yarn. In every row we have to increase 10 stitches. Like that you can make how many rows you want. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.